Now, first of all, what I am going to tell you is that this is the new script, and this is actually the environment of the Matlab. And you are looking here, there are lots of tabs over here. Obviously, we will discuss all the tabs in the upcoming videos as well. So right now, I am concerned with the new script, and what is it? This new script. When I click on it, so what will happen? There is the editor window will be open, and it is not visible to all you guys. So let me check it out where it is. So now you guys are able to see that which one is the editor window. So now it is clear to all of you that when I clicked on the new script, now the editor window is visible to you guys. So now we can see that this is the separate window, and if I want to adjust this one, if I want to increase its size or not, decrease its size, so I can do that. So I think so the editor window is only visible to you guys. So let me check it out what I can do with it. So first of all, if I want to add more editors here, so I can do that. So let me click on the positive sign, and it will increase the number of editor pages. And another thing which I can do, that what it is, if I want to move this like this, so I can just hold this and drop it like this. So these are the some commands that you can see over here, that how can you change your editor window and how can you increase its size. And if you want to adjust this, so let me check it out what are the other features that you can see over here, that you can new that you can put on new one, save it and open it as well. These are the three simple tabs which you can find it on in all the for example, in any programming language, even in any software, so you can find it out. So let me and even in the softwares as well, so let me check it out other stuffs as well. And if I want to move this, so I can move it like this. If I want to adjust this one somewhere else or anywhere I want to, so I can do that. Even I can increase its size as well. And what are the other features I can do is that tabs position top, bottom, left, right, shrink tabs to fit alphabet size. Let me check it out whether it this is visible to you guys or not. So this is visible, all of you, that how can you do that, and if you how can you move this one, and how can you change its and it is changed to. So now the next thing which I am going to do, that it is the command window. What arithmetic equations I can write it on the command window. So let me show with you guys what are these features. So let's have a look what it is actually behind it. So today I am not going to work with the editor window. I will work with the command window. So when I click on this command windows, then it will be closed. Let me check it out whether it is shared with you. Yes, it is closed. And now I want to open the command window, so I can do that. If I will check on the share screen, so it is shared with you guys. So now today I'm going to write it down simple arithmetic equations, and we are providing values to the variables. So for example, I am providing the value of 5 into the variable x. So what does it mean by that? What it is going to be happen? So let me check it out. Now the value number 5 is stored in variable x. So it is visible to all of you guys. Then I am providing the value to the y, that is 30, for example. And now what I want to do, actually I want to do x square x caps 2 positive y caps 2. So what will be the answer? Now the answer is stored in answer is ANS, means answer is 25. So the next thing what I can do, I want to take a square root of answer. So I just need to write down answer in the brackets, ANS, the value stored in ANS is 925. And now you can see that it has taken the square root of 925. Now the answer value is 30.4138. So what I want to do is that, for example, I want to add up ANS plus ANS. Now you can see I just added on. The next thing what I am going to do, that now the answer value is changed, and I want to do the value stored, that is 60.82. So I want to divide it with 8. So now I got the answer. These are the simple arithmetic questions that you can solve it through it. For example, next thing is that I have already stored the value in x and y. So what I am going to do next, so x caps 2 plus 2 static x static y. I'm just making the arithmetic equations, and these are the simple things that you have studied in your grade 9, when you are making equations for your in your computer subject. So the next thing is that y square, it is simple equation, and you know that x square plus 2xy plus y square. So now the answer is, now you got it, 1225. So this is so simple that you can solve all your arithmetic equations in the Matlab. This is very easy, and I really find it very interesting as well. You can do it in Excel, but it is more easier to do that in the Matlab. So the next thing is that, for example, I want to write it down 500x plus 90y. So this is the wrong thing. Why it is wrong? Because I did not put static after 500 and after 90. But you have to see the thing that it is providing the error, but it is giving you the suggestion as well. And when I enter it, then you can find you can get your answer as well. So this is quite good thing, that in which you are, if you are incorrect, that it is providing you the correct equation, and it is helping you, and it is telling you that it is unexpected, but it is telling you as well what the correct one is well. So this is the good thing which I have seen over here. For example, I want to write it down, answer caps answer. So now the answer is 5200, and it is it is giving you INF. So it means the answer is, it's not the value is infinity. INF means infinity. So for example, I want to write down ANS static ANS. So it is also saying that infinite. So next thing which I am going to do, that what it is. So next thing, for example, I am providing the value of answer is 900. So the answer value is 900, and I am going to write it down x static y. So the answer is 150. So then a value of answer is changed. For example, now I want to see the value of answer is here. So the answer is 150, not 900. So when the last value which I got it, so that I will get it here as 150. So the next thing which I am going to do is that, for example, I have provided a lot of values, and right now I want to check it out, WHOS. So this is also the command. Now it is what it is saying, that you can see over here that answer, it is bytes, and its class is double. X, I have provided its value double. It is also y double. Why it is so? Because these are the actually in other programming languages, every variable is known by another name, but if you have provided any numeric value in any variable, so that in the MATLAB it will tell you its type is double. So it is double over here, and it is also showing your bytes, and size is 1 into 1. For example, I am providing the name is W is equals to Nahed. So W is equals to Nahed, and now I want to check it out whose. And now you can see over here it is showing that the size is also different and it is showing char. The class of W is char. It means it is the character. For example, I am going to give Z is equals to Nahid Shahzad. So now you can see over here Nahid Shahzad, and I want to check it out WHOS. So it means that now you can see W and Z both are character and their bytes are different because it's so the size of the name is Nahir Shahzad is written in is denoted by Z, so it has more variables, more words as compared to the previous W. So now you can see that how can I provide characters variables or the names to the any variable. So now have a look on another thing is that, for example, I am providing the value x equals to 26 comma z is equals to 900, for example. So now it is giving you that value of x and z. I can provide in a single line the variable values to the variable by providing commas here. So what I can do, x plus z, let me check it out. So now I got the answer. One more thing I can do, sqrt. So I can write it down, x plus x static z, for example. So it is providing help as well. And you can see here what it is going, 152.9706. The answer is. So this is the way that you can solve your question. And at first what we have done, we have studied different arithmetic equation, that how can we provide arithmetic equations to the Matlab. In the next step, what we have done, we have used the command WHOS. What does it mean by that? That it is showing that which variable is character and which variable is the numeric one. So the next thing, which in the next step, what we have done, we have used the comma. It means that we can provide lots of variables in a single line. For example, x is equals to 95 comma y is equals to 78 comma z is equals to what is 60. So x y, the value of x y and z, we got it today. And even I am providing the value of u is equals to 75. So let's see, by providing comma, I have provided lots of variables in a single line. Even I can provide more variables over here. So how can I use it? Let's have a look. X stack caps 2 plus y caps 2 plus z caps 2 plus then u caps 2. Then so the answer is 24334. So this is the way that we can do that we can provide lots of variables in a single line as well. So you can provide more variables in a single line. You don't need to go in another line by providing commas. So the next thing which I am going to do is that, for example, I am providing equation 2x plus 3y equals to 1800, and I am providing semicolon. It is saying that it is unexpected error, Matlab expression. So because why is it so? Because I did not provide static over here. So what I am writing, 2 static x plus 3 static y is equals to 1800, and I am providing semicolon. It is again saying that it is unexpected error. Why it is saying that it is not the valid equation? So let's have a look. 2 static x plus 3 static y equals to 1800 and I am providing colon. It is again saying it is wrong. So next thing I can do that x plus y, x equals to x plus 18 semicolon. Now this is the correct one. And I am going to say y is equals to 1800 plus x. So the answer is 1913. Now I have provided two equations. I can provide two equations, three equations. What it has happened, the x value which I have already provided. So what it has done in the first equation, that it put the value of x in it. So for example, the value of x is 90. So it takes the value of 90 plus 18 and then got the answer 108, and then it has added 1800 plus 108. So now what I can do, I am going to give the value of x is 78 and I am providing colon. Then I am writing x equals to x plus 90 and I am providing semicolon. And right now I am going to write it down x plus 45. So now it is coming out to be 213. How is it so? What it happens? I have provided three equations. First I have given the value. I have assigned the value of x as 78. Then what had happened? The 78 is added. What does it mean by that? That x equals to x, it means that I am going to give 78 plus 90. So it is coming out 168. And then I add 168 plus 45. So the answer is 213. So now you can see that I simplify these equations. It has done by the Matlab, that is 213, and then I have simplified it. How did I have simplified it? I put 78 here in x, and 78 plus 90, I got the answer is 168, and then I put 168 here plus 45, so I got the answer 213. So this is the way that you can simplify a question. So at first, what we have studied different arithmetic equations. Even we have studied SQRT, use of SQRT, square root. Then what I got it, A and S, and answer. How can we provide get values of the answers as well? Even we have studied the term WHOS. So through which we have decided which one is correct and which one has the numeric values. And the next thing which we have done, that we can provide different variables in a single line by using commas, and we can give different lots of equation by using semicolons. So it can work as a function, that we are simplifying 2-3 equations. Even we can simplify 4 equations as well, and more than 4 equations as well by using semicolons as well. Next command we are going to study what it is, CLC. That it means, what does it mean by that? That you are going to clear the screen. So by using CLC, that it means that you are going to clear the screen. So now I am writing down still the value is there. So SQRT x, you have to use round brackets. So now you can see the value of x is stored in previously. So now it is going to give me the answer. The next thing which I am going to do that, if I want to see previous equation, so I need to click on the tab. I have to press the button of up, so I can use it. So which button I have to use it? Arrow, upward arrow. So I can see all the equations which I have written before that. So I will get it. Even I am getting the previous equations as well, Pythagoras equation, which I have done before that, but I will make the video on that as well. And you can see all the equations you can see by using the arrow. We have to press the arrow button of your keyboard. So now I got the answer. The next thing which I am going to tell you is that what I am. So at first I am writing, for example, W is equals to Z Hamid. So now it comes like that, and I am providing Y. The value is like this. Nahid. No, single variable, single. So this one. So if I want to write it down, wy, so it is showing that undefined variable. So I want to see w, and if I want to check it, the value of y is wy. So you can see this can be happen like this. Now the next thing which I am going to share with you guys is that, let me show what is this. There are lots of things here: plots, apps, home, tab, and preferences as well. So I have to discuss the preferences, and let me check it out whether it is the screen of the preferences is shared with you guys or not. Let me check this out. It is showing the editor, and let me see it is visible to you guys or not. Now the screen is open, but it is not shared with you guys. Now I have clicked on the tab of preferences, and where you can change the color. So how can you change the color? So Matlab apps code analyzer, you have to go onto the color, and when you are on the color, so what you can do is that you can use system colors. Right now the background color is white, and whatever I'm writing is of black color, green color, and of red color. So the color selection, you can do it yourself from here. And how can you do that? Let me tell you. For example, I want to make the color coding. Let me check it out whether it is visible to you guys or not. That color of the text, I want to write it, do it white, and now you can see it is changed. And I want to give background a black. So now it will be changed if I will apply from here. So right now I'm coming back again, and I am going to get the same thing which was previously. Then it is different colors provided here, that Matlab syntax highlighting color keywords. So keywords should be of, for example, purple one. So now for an end is of become purple. And if I want to change it to brown, so it is changed to brown. And you can see any color you can select it, so the color will be changed accordingly. So if I am going to the Matlab syntax highlighting color, so what is that comment? So for example, I want to change it comments blue, and even I can change it yellow. So now you can see create a file for output is called comments. So if I want to change it into red, so I can do that, and if I want to make it green, so I can do that. So the next color selection is of strings. This is purple one. So I am going to check it, change it, for example, like blue. So I can change this blue, and if I want to make change to this color, so I can change it. So the next thing is system commands. So let me check it out. System commands, that is touch test file.txt, txt, and and terminated strings. So I want to change its color. For example, more color, it is also here. I want to change it to red, so you can change it to red. All the colors, I'm just checking it out and discussing with you guys, but right now I have no intention to change the color because I'm not going to apply this one. So it's totally up to you that which color coding that you are going to provide here. So whatever the color you want to, you can select it for error text, for hyperlinks, warning text, command window sample, syntax highlighting sample, warning text. So how can you do that? Even restore default colors. So I can click on restore default colors. So now the color coding is remained same, which was the previously. So I'm not going to change it, but before that I just want to explain you, if you want to do that, so you can change the color from here. And for example, desktop tool colors, you need to make it unchecked, then you can change the color from here. So right now I'm going to click on the check to take this, because I have no intention to change the color. So right now I am moving again to the command window, and hopefully you understand it at how can you provide your own preferences for the color coding in the MATLAB. So right now I am not interested to change the color, so obviously I have to cancel it. I didn't cancel in front of you, because in the MATLAB what it is actually happening, that whatever the window which I have to discuss with you guys, so I have to share the screen of that window. So right now I am trying to sort it out that why it is happening, but it is happening actually. It is because there are different windows over here through which I am working. So for each window, I have to share with you guys that I have to select it separately. So this is all about command window today, but I just want to make some sort of revision here that I am trying to check it out. WHOs, so what it is going to say, that answer value of answer u w x and y z. And the one thing is very much important to understand, that I didn't give the values in the sequence, but it is giving me the values or in the sequence according to the variable. And bytes of the size is different for both the all the variables. You can see where I have provided the single variable, so that bytes are different, but where I have provided more variables, more words, so that has bytes different. So you can see the size and bytes are different, and classes according to the numeric value, and according to the which one, according to the characters. So char means characters. So right now I am going to provide the sample equation, and I am going to write it down. For example, u equals to 98 plus 65, and I am providing semicolon. Y is equals to 67 plus u semicolon. X is equals to u plus y, u plus y plus 100, then semicolon. Z is equals to uyx, u plus y plus x plus 1000. Now you can see, now I have simplified this equation, and it is very much interesting to understand it, because it's very easier when you practice it, that it will become more easier for you guys, that how can you sort it out these equations in the MATLAB. I before using this MATLAB, I was very much worried because it must be difficult one, but with the passage of time I am getting it that it is very easier and easy to understand, but you get it familiar with this with the environment of the MATLAB and practice it as well, that it will become easier for you guys as well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. this is the time to say you guys bye bye, and thank you so much for watching my videos. But must provide your comments as well, must give me feedback as well, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell button. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. This is the time to say you bye bye. Okay, now friends, what you have to do after watching my videos, you should have to subscribe to Engineer Nahid Shahzad YouTube channel and follow me at www.nahidshahzad.blogspot.com. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.